Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. In the last class, I have done the Maui's kite. Who was Maui? Maui is a boy in Hawaii, the country Hawaii. What was his wish? He wanted to fly a kite. So his mother gave a strong cloth, isn't it? So with the where did he go to fly the kite? First, where he went? He went to the cave where keeper of the wind will be there. She was old and very good, wise lady. He went, he asked for a ipu iki. First one is ipu iki. It was a gentle wind. So that day he flied the kite and the keeper of the wind said, enough, you have to respect the wind, send back the wind. So with great hearted, with great sad disappointment, he said, okay. Next day again he came. Now he saw how much high the kite has fly. Now he wants his kite to fly more than that. So he asked for Ipu Nui. Ipu Nui, a strong wind. Strong wind. That is 4 great winds. 4 great winds. So, when 4 great winds, the first keeper of the wind, she did not agree to give the Ipu Nui. So, what he himself started chanting for the 4 great winds. Immediately, it rushed out of the cave. And the boys were holding the kite. It rushed like anything and the kite started flying very high. So let's start again. Hope you have written the hard words. Okay? Learn the words properly. So we'll continue that. Maui's kite was swept far out of over the sea. It swept, means it. The 4 winds went very, took away the kite. He laughed with great delight when he saw how far his kite had gone. And other keeper who was struggling to put back the lid back on the Ipu Nui. The boys were laughing, they were enjoying. The kite has flied so high. But here, the keeper of the wind was trying to bring back the wind back again to put the lid. But it was not happening. Vain means she was trying with her, it was not success. Then the west wind and the south wind blew out of the god. First, north and east went. Next, south and west. All the 4 winds came out of the god and knocked it from the woman's hand. So, she was trying like this. When south and west wind, it knocked the hands of the old woman and she couldn't put the lid. The kite went as high as the cord was long and then it tugged fiercely at the cord. The cord began to hum in the wind and the kite disappeared into the darkened clouds. So they were caught, they were holding a rope and they were flying the kite. No, the wind tried very hard and it tugged the cord and it went high and high, and the kite was disappeared in between the clouds, and in between the darkened clouds, not only clouds, darkening clouds. Thinking that he was in control, Moi called out, "O wind, mighty as the god, return to Ipunoi." But of course, the wind was beyond his control. Now Moi thought, it is in my control. If I call, it will come back. Moi called, "Come back." But it was not in his control. So only children, what elders will say, listen and obey and act according to that. See, this is only a story, but nowadays the children are not hearing, not obeying the parents. And this will not only harm the environment, it harms your personal life also. Okay, by that I want to say you what happens. But of course, the wind was beyond their control. They ragged stronger. They blew forcefully. Come back, come back. They blew like this, and stronger until the cord attached to the kite snapped with a mighty crack. So they caught, they hold, they bought it, but now the kite only had a crack, means it was torn. Moi almost fell backwards. Now he is unable to fly back the kite. The kite sailed away over the mountain, never to be seen again. What he has, the rag, the rope, it only has cut and it went away. The kite went away behind the mountains, sailed away over the mountains. The wind continued to rag over the entire island, the Hawaii island. They all surrounded the whole island. A heavy rain set back people skirting in all the direction. So heavy rain started. When the clouds came so much, the heavy rain started and people was howled like anything. What is this? What is surprise rain? It was not like this. The winds had proved who was stronger. So only nature. We should not disturb the nature. Leave as it is. Now the nature showed what it is, how stronger it is. At last, the keeper of the wind pounced on Ipunoi and took it back to the cave. She worked all through the night, gently coaxing the wind back into the god. So this is a very good, she know what happens. The whole island has been disturbed. So now she called so many gods, so many things, and she asked the wind to come back. She made some chantings to bring back the winds. So at last, finally, the storm ended. People started calling Moi, he who brought the great storm. His friends looked the other way when Moi came to visit. So the people all know that the storm has stopped. Now people came to know who has brought this great storm. It was Moi. They all started scolding him. Finally, himself alone with nothing to do, Moi built another kite. It was smaller than the first. He flew it near the home when there was no one else about. He would tie the kite to a rope and steady its movements in the sky. Finally, all the friends know who has brought the storm. They said to every people. So now he was ashamed of it. I have given trouble to the people also, not only for the nature, for the people also have given trouble. So he was ashamed. Now what he did, he himself made a small kite, and near his house only, he started flying a kite. With the what wind he had, he was doing it. Soon he could tell that the weather would be fine or stormy. One day he noticed some men going off to the fields. So now he was studying about the wind. Now he can say whether it will rain or it won't rain. So he used to forecast the weather. It is called forecasting the weather. Now the Moi has studied about the winds and the rainfall. So now he was able to say, one day what happened? The four men was going, some men going off to the field. Some men was going to the field to work. It will rain today, called the Moi. Tomorrow will be the better day to work in the field. So Moi called those men, come here, today it will rain. Don't work today. Tomorrow is a better day to work. The man just scolded at him, but soon began to rain. And the men came running back to the village, looking in the amazement at Moi. So this neglected. What this small child is saying, what this boy know, like that they went. Soon it started raining. Soon they came back to the village and they were surprised. With amazement, they looked to the Moi. See, tomorrow what is happening? The next moment, what is happening? The Moi is predicting. He knows what happens in the next moment. So he predicts it. He says, he forecasts the weather. So another day, Moi warned a group of women that their clothes would be blown away from the dry place because his kite told him that there would be a storm that day. So another day, what happened? The women were drying their clothes outside. He said that, no, don't try it. Now the storm may appear because by flying the kite, he came to know about it. So he said, don't do that. There would be a storm that day. Later, they were out in their yards, chasing their clothes, which was blowing about in the storm. Because his kite now, after telling one few hours later, the storm started coming. All the women came back to the yard, pulling at the clothes and collecting the clothes which is fallen on the ground. In the time, the village people began to depend on Moi and his kite. From that day onwards, the people of the Hawaii started depending on the village, on the Moi and the kite. He taught them how to tell from the dancing movement. By flying the kite, the rope curves, isn't it? It will not go straight. It started curving. By that, he will find out whether it has its great winds or gentle winds. He taught them how to tell from the dancing movement of the kite which days would be the good for planting or fishing or drying clothes. People now started calling him teacher of the weather. Even the keeper of winds no longer shunned him. And Moi had learned his lesson. Never again did he call for the winds of Ipuiki or Ipunoi. Now he had learned a lesson. Now he never in his life he called the winds to fly the kite. What the air is in the nature, he used to do the same. He used to fly the kite in that, and he used to predict about the happenings in the future, whether it will rain or it will be gentle, which day is better to dry the clothes, which better is good to work in the field. All he used to tell to the people. So in this way, the Moi learned the lesson and became a good boy. Okay, children? Now, did you understand the lesson? Okay, come to the activity 46, page number 46. I'll give the activity work. Come on. Choose the correct determiners and complete these sentences. This. Page 46. Amen. In the box they are given the helping words. So this area used to be a forest of the trees. Now there are only a few. First one. First one is given already, this. Second blank is a few. Second one, I didn't eat any dessert at dinner. I have some cake now. I will have some cake now. My packet of chips is torn. Could I have another packet? Who was the first person to climb the Everest with a Sherpa? Those speakers who spoke in the previous round ran out of the time. They did not have much. It's an impossible task to complete in exactly 5. Okay. Come to be made. Adjectives. First one is done for you. Second one. Can you give me a glass of water? Please, I am thirsty. Sanskrit is not a very difficult subject language. Your capital Y. Your mother is here to take you home, Suraj. Did you know he is a world famous singer? World famous. Which book are you looking for? Which book are you looking for? Look, I picked these berries. These berries. 8th one. She brought home some mouth-watering. Mouth-watering. Watering sweets from Kolkata. Rewrite these sentences using the hence. She thanked them for accepting her gift. She thanked for their acceptance of their gift. Like that. What is the cause of your anger? Rewrite using angry. Why are you angry? Why are you? This word in use, amen. Word in use, amen. Why are you angry? You have to use the word angry and rewrite. Second, I asked her to forgive me. Forgiveness. I asked for forgiveness. For forgiveness. Forgiveness. The police knew who the criminal was. The police had knowledge of the criminals. Of the criminals. CRIMINALS. Many villagers died from the famine. The famine caused many deaths. Okay? Your completes for assignment. Assignment. Learn and write the meanings from and question and answers from lesson 5 children and it. 5 children and it. 2 times. Okay? 2 times you have to write. Got it, children? Assignment, that is homework. In the previous hard words I had given. Now you have to write. Already PDF has come to you. Learn the meanings and question answers from the lesson 5 children and 8. Okay? We'll meet you in the next class. Right, children?